So the easiest way to bang on the electronic steering lock is to just take the wheel in both hands and just kind of jam it really hard. And if you're lucky, it'll open up for you. If you're unlucky, you're gonna have to do the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna use two hands. Okay, so I'm just banging around and I heard it. I heard the steering lock open up. So guess what? I'm gonna be able to turn the key, and I have an ignition to dash lights. See? Dash lights come on. Let's turn off the air. So just banging this around really hard a few times, and I was able to, I left the key in there. It wasn't turned to ignition 1 or 2, it's just in there. So I'm not gonna remove this key anymore because it is unlocked now. And I'm actually gonna move the car because I can start it. Gonna move the car to a better location. The tow truck driver left it a little farther out. I'm almost on the sidewalk here. And so I'm just gonna back it up into place so I can work a little more comfortably here.